the agriculture universities claim that attacking insects are the enemies of the plant. It is totally wrong. None of the insect is enemy of any plant. They are the friends. The God has not created anything, anybody as enemy. There is a great symbiosis in the nature. The God has not created only the sucking pest or harmful insect. To control the harmful insect, the God has created predators also, friend insect also. And these friend insects control the harmful insect very well. These friend insect predators are residing on the weeds. That means in the orchard, when you remove the weeds, predators will not come out. So in the orchard, it is very essential not to remove the weed, only cut down the weeds and mulch. Secondly, God has given the beautiful gift to the every living being, including the vegetation, that is resistance power. If we will create resistance power in the plant body, none of the insect can attack the crop. So medicine is not a remedy. To create the resistance power is the real remedy. Bacterial blight had destroyed the pomegranate plantation in chemical farming, but in zero-budget natural farming on the pomegranate plantation, there is no insect attack and no disease also. No bacterial blight. Our plant are safe. Because we have created the resistance power in plant body. In Battai, sweet orange, Gamosis destroyed so many plants in chemical farming, Phytophthora. But in zero natural farming, there is no attack of the Phytophthora. There is no Gamosis. Because we are creating the resistance power in the plant body. Two sons of one mother. One son always suffers by the diseases continuously, and another son has no disease at all, is strong. Why? House is same, mother is same, food is same, all things are same. Why one is suffering by diseases and why is not? Because that son which has no resistance power is suffering by the disease continuously, and that brother which has the resistance power in the plant body, there is no attack of the diseases. That means medicine is not the remedy. To create the resistance power is the real remedy. And that resistance power is given to the soil by humus. Again, I would like to repeat, the resistance power in the plant body is given by the humus. And humus is only created in zero-budget natural farming. On the contrary, humus is destroyed in chemical and organic farming. You have seen yesterday. When you mulch the soil by straw mulching and use Jivamrutam, Ghana Jivamrutam, ultimately the humus is created in the soil, and humus creates the resistance power in the plant body, and no disease and no insect attack, and not necessary to spray any insecticide. You come and visit our models, you will see never chemical is totally attacked and destroyed by the insect attack and diseases. Zero-budget natural farming, healthy plants, healthy, strong, no disease and no insect attack. Why? Because of the resistance power. Even in medical science claim that first the bacteria are enter in the body, and those bacteria create the disease. This is the wrong theory of the medical scientists. Wrong theory. In tuberculosis hospital, TB hospital, hundreds of the patients are living there. During the respiration, crores and crores of the tuberculosis bacteria are exhausted in the air. Continuously, there are nurses and doctors are wandering here and there. They take the air, that means they are taking the crores of the tuberculosis bacteria inside their stomach. If the medical science is correct, every doctor, every nurse should affect by the tuberculosis TB, but it did not happen. It did not happen. Why? Because resistance power. That means green revolution is totally wrong, unscientific, and medical science also 100% wrong, unscientific. In the human stomach, there are so many species of the beneficial effective microorganisms, just like lactobacillus. They create a resistance power in the plant body. And this medical science suggests antibiotics. And when you take antibiotics or take the injection of the antibiotics destroy all the microorganisms, that means bacteria, useful bacteria also, they are destroyed, and immunity is lost, resistance power is lost. Ultimately, you are suffering by the diseases. It is a trap. Medical science is a trap. So, Sathiyo, your chemical fertilizer destroy the useful bacteria in the soil. Ultimately, humus is not created. Again, your crop is suffering by the so many problems. So, only remedy that is to create the resistance power, and we have seen humus will create the resistance power. But what will happen when you enter in the zero budget natural farming from chemical farming or organic farming in the first year? Maybe some mistakes you will commit, because there are so many problems. There is no local cow. There is a Jersey Holstein, which is dangerous animal, not giving result. You are not getting the labor. So many things may be possible. And because of some faults or mistakes in the first year, maybe you can't create the proper sufficient resistant power in the plant body, Then in the first year, in the migration period, there may be attack of the insect and diseases. In the first year, not in second year. So, in this migration period, it becomes essential to spray some insecticide and fungicides. So, I will give the insecticide, you write down. Insecticide number one, Nimastra, Nim missile. Nim missile. A black color, Subhaji, black color marker pen. Take 200 liter of the water. Take 200 liter of the water. Add 10 liter of the gomutram in that water. Add 10 liter of the gomutram in that water. And mix 2 kg deshi cow dung, fresh cow dung in that water. Mix 2 kg. 2 kg Desh Wali of Peda, local cow dung in that water by the hands, by the fingers. Then 10 kg cut down pieces of the neem tree branches with the leaves. Then add 10 kg cut down pieces of the neem leaves, neem branches with the leaves in that water. Cut down pieces of the neem branches. नीम को क्या बोलते हैं? वेपा. वेपा. Neem branches. Cut down pieces of the neem branches, small branches with the leaves, and add in that water. Add in that water. Stir it clockwise by the stick thoroughly. Stir it by the stick clockwise thoroughly. Keep it in shadow for 48 hours. Keep it in the shadow for 48 hours. Keep it in the shadow for 48 hours. Avoid sunlight and rainwater. Avoid sunlight and rainwater. Stir it twice a day, morning, evening, for 1 minute. and after 48 hours filter by the cloth and store. After 48 hours filter by the cloth and store. Expiry date 6 months. Expiry date 6 months. Up to 6 months you can utilize. Spray 200 liter Nimastram per acre without mixing the water. Without mixing the water as it is, where to spray. 200 liter per 1 acre. Spray without mixing the water. हाँ क्या? हाँ, रेसिड्यूज को भूमि पर डाल देना आच्छादन के लिए. आच्छादन के लिए उसको उपयोग करना है. ठीक है? हाँ. Write down. Nimastram will control sucking pest. Sucking pest just like Jassid aphid whitefly. Sucking pest just like Jassid aphid or whitefly. And small caterpillars. Small caterpillars. Sundi. But Nimastram cannot control the big caterpillars. But Nimastram cannot control the big caterpillar. सुंडी सुंडी क्या बोलते हैं आप? ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं आप? हाँ, ओके. हाँ, उसके लिए ब्रह्मास्त्र. राइट डाउन ब्रह्मास्त्र. ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल. BrahMos missile. Take 20 liters of the Gomutram. Take 20 liters of the Gomutram. Add 2 kg the pulp of the neem leaves. 2 kg pulp of the neem leaves. वेपा एले. चटनी चटनी क्या बोलते हैं आप? हाँ, 2 kg चटनी ऑफ करंज. करंजी मीन्स पोंगेमिया पिन्नाटा क्या कहते हैं? Kanuga, right. Kanaga. Chutney. 2 kilo, 2 kg chutney of Kanaga leaves. Pongemia pinnata, that is the botanical name. Kanaga, Kanaga. Kanuga. Kanuga. Okay. Number 3, 2 kg chutney of Sitaphalam patte, leaves. Custard apple. 2 kg chutney of castor leaves. आमदम क्या बोलते हैं? आमदम. 2 kg chutney of amdam castor leaves. And 2 kg chutney of datura inoxia. datura. datura को क्या कहते हैं? हाँ? मेंथा. उमत्ता, उमत्ता, उमत्ता. Right. 2 kg the pulp of umatta. हो गया? कितना हो गया? 5 हो गया? हाँ. Then mix it, stir it in the gomutram, cover the plate, and boil it slowly up to one boiling. And boil it slowly, mandagni par, up to one boiling only. Up to one boiling. उसको क्या करना है? उबालना है, एक उबाले आने तक. Then you have to keep the pan on the soil for cooling purpose for 48 hours. You have to keep the pan on the soil surface for 48 hours for cooling and fermentation process. For 48 hours. Stir it well twice a day, morning for just for 1 minute. And then filter by the cloth and store it. And then filter by the cloth and store it. You can store for 6 months. (200 liter water plus 6 liter Brahmastra). 200 liter water per plus 6 liter Brahmastra. Write down 10 परनी अर्क. 10 परनी कषायम. Dashparni Kashayam. It is the best insecticide for all insects. If you have Dashparni Kashayam, not necessary to utilize Nimastra, Brahmastra, Agnestra. Write down how to prepare Dashparni Kashayam. Take 200 liter water. Take 200 liter water. Add 20 liter Gomutram. Liter of the Gomutram. Then mix 2 kg of Deshi cow dung, local cow dung, in that water. Mix 2 kg fresh cow dung in that water. Then add 500 gram turmeric powder. Add 500 gram turmeric powder. Then add 500 gram ginger pulp. 500 gram ginger pulp. Then add हिंग को क्या बोलते हैं? हिंग. हाँ, 10 gram hing powder. Hinga. 10 gram hing powder. Stir it well. Stir it well and keep in the shadow for overnight. Keep in the shadow for overnight. Next day, next morning, add 1 kg of tobacco powder. 1 kg tobacco powder. Tobacco. तंबाकू. क्या बोलते हैं आप? ओके. आपको कैसे मालूम? इसका मतलब है खाते हैं. ठीक है. Add 1 kg the pulp of hot green chili. 1 kg pulp of hot green chili. बहुत तीखी मिर्च. 1 kg pulp of hot green chili. बहुत तीखी. वो छोटी चिली है किसके पास बहुत तीखी होती है? किसके पास है? अच्छा, कितने खाओगे? एक भी नहीं. बहुत तीखी है, बहुत तीखी. हाँ, हाफ के जी, दैट मीन्स 500 ग्राम पल्प ऑफ द लोकल गार्लिक. लोकल गार्लिक, गार्लिक को क्या कहते हैं? हाँ, बिलोली. 500 ग्राम द पल्प ऑफ द देश वाली बिलोली, लोकल गार्लिक, and mix it thoroughly. In that water, mix it thoroughly in that water, cover the gunny bag. And keep in the shadow. Keep in the shadow. Third morning, next day. Next day morning, add 2 kg small cut down pieces of the small branches with the leaves. Small cut down pieces of the small neem branches. Neem branches with the leaves in that water. Two kg the leaves of पोंगेमिया पिन्नाटा, क्या बोलते हैं? कानुका, कानुका, कानुका. 2 kg leaves of the kanuga, not chutney, only leaves. That means Pongeme pinnata. 2 kg chutney of sitaphalam, custard apple. अब chutney नहीं, पत्ते, oil, leaves. 2 kg leaves, not chutney. 2 kg leaves of the sitaphalam, that means custard apple. Two kg cut down pieces of castor, because there are broad leaves. 2 kg cut down pieces of the castor leaves, amdam. 2 kg leaves of datura. दतुरा को क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, उमत्ता, उमत्ता. 2 kg leaves of the datura, umatta, datura inoxia. 2 kg बिल्व पत्रम. बेल को क्या कहते हैं? बेल. हाँ, 2 kg बिल्व पत्रम. जो शंकर जी के पिंडी पर डालते हैं ना पूजा पाठ के समय, वो 2 kg लीव्स ऑफ द मैंगो, 2 kg लीव्स ऑफ द मैंगो, 2 kg cut down pieces of the होली बेसिल, कृष्ण तुलस, तुलसी, तुलसी क्या बोलते हैं आप? हाँ, कट डाउन पीसेस ऑफ द तुलसी प्लांट 2 kg, होली बेसिल, कृष्ण कृष्ण तुलस जो घर में लगाते हैं, branches, cut down pieces of the entire plant cut down pieces 2 kg, 2 kg cut down pieces of the marigold, marigold को क्या कहते हैं? बंती बंती बंती, right. 2 kg cut down pieces of the banti plant, चेंडू, झेंडू, बंती, 2 kg leaves of the pomegranate, daima, 2 kg leaves of the pomegranate, that is daima, cut down pieces of branches, daima, with the leaves, 2 kg leaves of the गावा, जामा, जामा को क्या बोलते हैं आप? जामा, जाम, 2 kg leaves cut down pieces of the turmeric, 2 kg cut down pieces of the ginger, कनेर मालूम है? कनेर, कनेर को क्या कहते हैं? कनेर, हाँ कनेर लाल फूल होते हैं, लाल पीले, घंटा होता है, क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ लिखिए 2 किलो पत्ते, 2 kg कनेर, कनेर, हाँ करेला को क्या कहते हैं? करेला, हाँ 2 किलो करेला के पत्ते, 2 kg द लीव्स ऑफ द करेला, टू kg leaves of the drumstick munaga, cut down pieces of the munaga, कितने हो गए पत्ते? नंबर ऑफ लीव्स, हाँ 15 ना, हाँ 16, ओके, राइट डाउन, टेक एनी 10 ऑफ दिस 16, झगड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, Take any 10 of these 16 leaves. एक नहीं मिला तो दूसरा आपके पास तैयार है. And pressure, keep the pressure on the leaves so that the leaves will be submerged in the water. उसको दबाइए ताकि पानी में वो भिग जाए. वो पानी में मिक्सचर में दबा देना है. हाँ, पार्टी चलेगा, कांग्रेस भी चलेगा, बीजेपी भी चलेगा. चलेगा, वो भी औषधि है. Pathiam is called Congress grass in Maharashtra. And there is another Chubukata, it is called BJP grass. Look, people has given the name, I don't know why. Anybody want to pets? हो गया? Then stir it well and keep for minimum 30 to 40 days. 30 to 40 days. We have to keep it. वो पानी है ना, पहले 200 लीटर लिया, उसमें सब डाल दिया ना, तो वो 40 दिन रखना है. क्या किया हमने? 200 लीटर पानी लिया था, है ना, बाद में 200 लीटर वाटर. वी हैव एडेड हाउ मच क्वांटिटी ऑफ द गोमूत्र? 20 liter. 2 kg cow dung and 500 gram, 500 gram and 10 gram finger. And then we have taken 1 kg tamaku, 1 kg green chili chutney, half kg garlic chutney, and we have taken 10 leaves, है ना. अब उसको क्या करना है? Keep it for 30 to 40 days in the shadow. 30 से 40, हाँ, gunny bag. We have to cover the gunny bag, no doubt. We have to cover the gunny bag. Keep it for 30 to 40 days. Avoid the sunlight and rainwater. Avoid the sunlight and rainwater. Stir it for 1 minute, morning, evening, every day. And after 1 month or 40 days, filter by the cloth. After 1 month or 40 days, filter by the cloth. And store up to 6 months. We can utilize up to 6 months. Expire date 6 months. filter by the cloth and store it. (200 liter water), 200 liter water, 6 liter Dashparni Kashayam. 200 liter water, 6 liter Dashparni Kashayam. All insects are controlled. All insects are controlled.